Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we are going to start a new lesson, chapter 12, Life Mathematics. Life Mathematics, what is that life mathematics? The mathematics which you are using in your lifetime. For example, if you are having one shop, okay, we will consider this you are a shop owner. Okay, you are getting one toy for some amount and you will sell for some other amount, right? For example, see, I have some duplicate money. See, okay, you are buying one toy, any toys, or one t-shirt for 20 real, and you are going to sell that t-shirt to your friend for 50 real. Okay, you are getting for 20 real and you are going to sell it for 50 real. Then how much profit you got? 50 minus 20, right? 50 minus 20, how much? 30 real. So if you are buying one t-shirt for 20 real and you are selling to your friend for 50 real, what you are getting? That is called profit. 30 real profit you are getting. Okay. So the amount you are getting for 20 real, this is called buying price or cost price. This is called cost price. What is the cost price or buying price? How much? 20 real. Okay. And for how much real you are selling to a friend? 50 real. That is called selling price. So, in each sum, you cannot write full cost price, selling price, no? So, we are going to denote right like CP, cost price, SP, selling price. You got it for 20 real and sold it for 50 real. So, what you got, 30 real, that is called profit. So, profit equal to, how you got? 50 real minus 20 real. What is 50 real? Selling price minus cost price. Otherwise you can write like this. 50 real minus 20 real equal to 30 real. So how will you write this? This 50 is selling price, 20 is cost price, and 30 is profit. You understand now what is CP, what is SP, and what is profit? Okay. Now we are going to see another sum. See, if you got the t-shirt for 20 real and no one is buying from you, you sold it for 5 real. You spent 20 real for this and you sold it for 5 real. So, you lost money, right? You bought 20 real, 5 only, you could sell that t-shirt for only 5 real. So, you lost money. How much money you lost? 20 minus 5, 15. Okay, if you buy for 20 and selling for 50 real, that is called profit, right? This one, if you buy for 20 and you are selling for 5, this is called loss. Okay. So when you are doing profit, you will be happy, right? When you are selling for 5 real, you will be sad, right? So what is the cost price? CP is 20 real and you are selling for 5 real. So, cost price is 20 real, selling price is 5 real. So, what term you are going to use again? loss. Here, loss is here 20 minus 5, 15. 20 is cost price minus selling price equal to loss. You got it? If you get confused with big numbers, you take small numbers. If you are buying one pencil for 1 real and you are going to sell this for 5 real, is it a profit or loss? Profit, right? Okay, cost price is 1 real, selling price is 5 real. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is the profit. So you will be happy. Okay, if you are buying something for some eraser for 5 real and no one is buying from you, so you are giving it for only 1 real. So what is the loss? 5 minus 1? 4 is the loss. You got it now? You got cleared the concept? So the cost price is the buying price. Okay, CP you have to write, and selling price, at what price you are selling or your friend is selling, that is SP, selling price. And profit is how much money you got, selling price minus cost price. Okay, that is called profit. And if you are buying for some money and you are not getting the money back, that is loss, right? So that is loss equal to cost price minus selling price equal to loss. You have to remember this one. Profit equal to selling price and cost price. If you don't remember this one, you remember some small numbers. I bought for 2 real, I sell it for 5 real, 3 is the profit. I bought for 5 real, I sold it for 1 real, 4 is the loss. With small numbers, you have it in mind always. If you don't remember this formula also, it is okay. You can do this sum. Okay, children? Okay, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.